Hey YouTube, what's up? My name's Brigette and I'm hanging out on Nicole's channel today. This is a special box for me because I did a wedding challenge box. We're going to be going to a somewhat casual wedding in Duluth end of September. So we're either going to get a blizzard or it's going to be a heat wave. What I decided to do was ask for a blazer slash jean combo with a cute booty. And for backup, I asked them to send me a dress that would also go with that booty. So I've got a couple of options. I'm really excited to get into this box, so let's tear it open. I want to start off with the shoes. I did ask for a black or gray booty. They provided what looks like a gray booty. It's like Christmas. I'm guessing this is the blazer. Yeah, we got a blue blazer.
Ooh.
Really, really soft. You've seen this shirt on a previous stitch Adrian.
Issues with the teal shirt.
Not feeling the teal shirt.
Pretty teal color. Yep, this is it's a dress. Pair of dark washed jeans. I did ask for a lighter wash. These are my 5 items. I'm gonna get started on trying them on and see what we think of them. All right, I'm back with the 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 5 pieces. What I told the stylist was at this wedding, I wanted to go in a longer blazer because I have a lot of arm tat, some sort of teal and or pattern shirt to go under it, something that was flowy, a pair of lighter wash jeans, and a booty to go with it. So right off the bat, I want to talk about this coat. I got a 3/4 girly ass blazer that I really don't like, and I'm hot, so I'm gonna take it off. I asked for a full long sleeve that I would cuff if I wanted to. This can't be cuffed. It's just a really girly jacket. This shirt, the color is spot on. However, it has this darting in the breast area, and so it causes puckering where it shouldn't. And Adrian tried this on as well in a different size, and she absolutely hated it.
Tight in the chest area, and it's the type of material where I know if you sweat even a little bit, it's gonna be sticky and...
Girl, same.
Stitch Fix needs to retire that shirt. Nobody wants that shirt.
We gotta retire the shirt.
Yeah.
So the jean fits nicely. I asked for a lighter wash, but they're the professionals here. They put the outfit together. They, I guess, thought that a darker wash would go with things. But I also asked for it to be in a long length, and they sent me a size 16 regular. Let's move on to the boot. I didn't think I was gonna like the lace-up detail, but I actually do like them. And the gray, I think, is gonna be a good staple. The last thing that I asked for in my 5 for 5 box was to give me a backup dress that I could wear that would go with the booty. And so we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna put that dress on and we'll see if they listen. I'm back. I've got the backup dress on with the booty. I asked for the dress to match the booty. That's not happening. This is a gray booty with a black and white dress, and it doesn't work for me. I could give you my top 10 reasons why I hate this dress, but I'll just tell you a couple. One is that I asked for a black dress that would go with the booties that went with the rest of the outfit, and that's not happening. I also said, give me something that I can just wear and throw a black jean jacket over, and I don't think a black jean jacket would really go with this. Honestly, the material's really cheap and it's not breathing. I'm really disappointed in this dress. Let's begin with something positive. I like the booty. They're Toms, which I'm reminded of back here, and I just saw this and I don't think I like the booty anymore. Nicole, what's the damage on these Toms?
It's $90.
Well, that leads me to our new segment, Bag It or Untag It, and these babies is going in the bag. What that means is I'm not gonna pay $90 for these shoes. They will go into the pre-paid postage bag that we call a bag of rejects. Nope. We'll just keep that bag open. This dress was a really big letdown. It met 0 of the criteria that I asked for. How much was this dress?
$58.
Wes! There's so many cute dresses that I've liked in the last month. Nicole, talk to me about these jeans.
Those are an $88 jean.
Well, I'm gonna set them in the maybe pile right now. Moving on to the shirt Wes was so tickled about. Wes ain't got boobs. We hate this shirt. And by we, I mean every single person that's put it on. What did the shirt cost?
$54. So just to clarify that shirt was a baguette.
That shirt is a retire it. Blazer, blazer, blazer. How much did the blazer cost?
That is an $88 blazer.
I want to bag that too. We've got 4 in the bag. I'm gonna have to put the jeans on again and just kind of think about it.
You have time to do a redemption box before the wedding. Are you going to give Wes a chance to redeem himself?
I'm scared. When I first saw this box and was trying things on, I was like all sweary inside. It was like, we're done.
You
We're
really
breaking up,
were.
Wes. We are. But you know what? First world problems. And it's hot. It's a great service, and I like Wes. We're cool. Well, I think that wraps up the video. I hope I behaved well enough to come back because I'm thinking we might have to do a dress box challenge.
All right.
I can get up.